Hello everybody, Sarah Banks from Banks' Business Solutions here. Today I'm going to talk to you about how you can upload and convert Microsoft Office documents into Google Docs. And quite often you've got documents that are set up within Microsoft Office that you want to share with colleagues who may not actually have access to Office. And a great way of doing this is by using Google Docs, which is free to use via the internet for everybody just by setting up a Google account. So I'm going to pop over now into Google Docs so I can show you how this all works. So here we go. We are in my Google Drive here and in a folder that I've called Google Docs Demo just for today. So the first thing you'd need to do is log into your Google Drive and navigate to the folder that you want to use to store your documents. If you then click on this red New button here and go to File Upload, you can then go and grab the files that you want to upload. So for today I'm going to show you how to do a Word document in Excel. The great thing about this is you can upload your documents at the same time regardless of what file type they are. So I'm going to select both of these and hit Open, and as you can see down here we're uploading these documents straight into Google Drive. The first one is there now, the Word document. The Excel spreadsheet with the accounts in will be there in just a moment. So as you can see, these are uploaded as a Word file and an Excel file. What we now want to do is convert them into Google Docs or Google Sheets. So we'll start with the Word file. If you click on this, double click on it, it opens it up here. At the top here you'll see this Open option, which is to open it with Google Docs. If you can't see that, and it's not always there, there's an arrow here that will allow you to open with Google Docs as well. So you do that, and what this does is it basically converts that Word document into a Google Doc for you. So there you go, the document is open in Google Docs. It's just working everything out. Now, occasionally, it will have some issues with margins, so you may need to go in and adjust those, which would need to be done for this document. I won't do that today, but it is all there for you. You can rename the file here, so I always take the doc extension off, and if you then close this tab, oh, I'm sorry, I've hit the stop sharing screen option instead there. I do apologise for that. If I can move this somewhere. Okay, so we want to close this tab, which is not going to let me do all that there. So let me just close that tab for you. Close down where you opened up the document, and as you'll see, there is now a Google Docs version of the document. You can then delete this one because you don't actually need the Word version anymore. And that's your document done. Exactly the same process applies to your spreadsheet. Open it up. And it's decided to be a little bit slow now. As you can see, we've got a multiple tab spreadsheet as well. Go to open. Again, the drop down arrow would have given you the option to open with Google Sheets if it wasn't there for you automatically. And the reason this takes a little bit of time is because this process of opening it within a Google Doc or a Google Sheet is actually doing the conversion from Microsoft Office into a Google version of the file. So we'll let that just think about what it's doing right there now. It is going to be very slow this evening. I think the internet connection gets slower of an evening as well. There we go, and your file is there. And it's all there for you with all the tabs that were there before. This is just a sample account spreadsheet that I've used here. And again, you can take the XLSX extension, which is what was called into a Microsoft document, and then close it down from here, and you'll see you have your Google Sheet there as well. Then you can share those with anyone that you need to. Just right click on the file and you can either add people through this option or get a link where you could just send them a link to it. I really hope that you found that tip useful. Do let me know if there's any tips that you'd like me to share with you. I'm more than happy to create videos for different tips, and I'll be back with another video hopefully next week. I'll speak to you soon. Bye.